Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. Last week, we discussed the effectiveness of the magic formula and our own magical stocks using the change in the market index and the change in our portfolio. Market index is up by 12.5% based on our benchmark last October 15th when we finished buying our first 5 magical stocks. Meanwhile, our portfolio changed at 15%, still beating the market index by around 2.5%. Before we proceed with our promised subject, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. After 3 weeks in the market, our portfolio is up by almost 15% coming from a 6.2% gain. It was in the 12% level during the first week. Obviously, our huge gain is being dragged by the market, but our magical stocks measure is beating the market trend, which we are doing as of our week 3 of trading. Our next topic is about cutting loss when trading is not going our way. First, magic formula suggests selling every stock we hold after a year, whether a loss or a gain, but we will tweak it a little in our magical stocks. When the stock goes down by 20% before its anniversary, we will cut loss technically. We will make it very simple since it should be quick and requires a little patience. We will only use one chart, the MACD oscillator. We will use the daily chart of the stock to exit. Let's get a good stock example. In this example, we have the daily trend chart and the MACD oscillator. If our entry is at 120 and it went down to 96, it is losing by 20%, we need to check the MACD line immediately and be ready to cut losses. If we look at the MACD oscillator, the blue line, which is the signal line, and the red line, which is the MACD line, are both going down, we sell immediately. We can either go to another magical stock or wait for the signal line to go up and cross the MACD line. In this scenario, re-entry is recommended. Another example, if we enter at 85 and the stock went down by 20% to 68, we look at the MACD oscillator. Here we can see that at 68 level, the signal line is posing to go up and is ready to cross our MACD line. In this case, do not cut losses, the stock has a great chance of bouncing back. If the signal and MACD line doesn't cross, we cut loss. If you missed the actions, which most of us, long-term traders will most likely experience, we just wait for the anniversary and sell with our recommended exit during gain. Do take note that it is a suggestion because we can minimize losses or we can go back to profit by applying the basic technical analysis. Here is the worksheet that we are using to monitor our magical stock performance. This includes the current price, which is automatically being updated by MS Excel. The target shares when we plan to buy. The actual number of shares bought and its purchase price. The current gain or loss and the purchase amount with the purchase date. Indicated here is the 30% profit price for each magical stock that is being used as a trigger to take profit. The 20% cut loss is our trigger to sell when things are not going our way. We have the 1-year mark serving as a reminder for us to sell, of course, technically. The decision column is a simple Excel formula serving as a reminder to hold, take profit or cut loss basing from the current price. The total gain/loss here is the current total gain, and in our case, we are gaining around 15%. The link of the worksheet is in the description below for you to download. You can edit it based on your preference. To assist you on the price alert for the BPI trade, you can click Tool in the main menu and choose Price Alert. The window that will appear will look like this, where you are going to input the stock code, criteria and price. If one or more of the criteria are satisfied, BPI Trade will send you an email as a notification. Thank you for watching. And for next week, we will discuss if it is possible to get the 30% gain with our first 5 magical stocks. Quote, only 2 people can buy at the bottom and sell at the top. One is God and the other is a liar. Vijay Kedia. See you next week. Have a great day ahead.